Did you know that tossing your used vanilla beans away is a waste of up to 70% of their flavor? Today, we reveal the science behind transforming spent pods into rich liquid gold using a simple solvent. First, we must understand that vanilla's magic lies in its seeds and outer shell. While the pod looks dry after baking or making custard, it is actually a sponge full of flavor, respains, ange, stria, vanillin compounds just waiting to be released into a liquid medium. To start the extraction process, you typically place these spent pods in an oven at a maximum of 50 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. This gentle heat breaks down cell walls, turning the pod into a fine powder ready for infusion. Next, we blend this powder or use the pods directly with a solvent, like high-proof vodka or ethanol. This alcohol acts as a perfect vehicle to dissolve the flavorful compounds and release them into your jar. Now comes the patience part. You must seal the jar and let it sit for at least a few months. During this time, you will observe the clear liquid slowly changing color into a rich, deep mahogany as the flavor infuses. The result is a cost-effective extract that rivals expensive store-bought brands. You can even boost your homemade vanilla custards by adding just 2 teaspoons of this new extract to warm milk and cream. Finally, store your creation in the fridge to preserve its potency for months. By doing this, you transform kitchen scraps into a premium ingredient that elevates both savory and sweet recipes effortlessly. So, there you have it. Your used beans are gold. What other pantry waste can you repurpose? Let me know in the comments if you're trying this homemade method.